Hello everyone, welcome back to NISHANA'S recipe notes. The recipe which I am going to introduce today is a soup recipe, broccoli soup. This is a special dish for those who are on keto or low carb high fat diet. Before going to the recipe, subscribe NISHANA'S recipe notes and give bell for notification. Let's see the ingredients first. Broccoli florets, and here I have separated the florets and stalk. So that means I did not waste any part of the broccoli. Then roughly chopped onion, few cloves of garlic, then 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Then this is a herb, oregano. Then we need some olive oil, fresh cream, then some grated cheese, then required amount of water. So these are the ingredients. Now let's move on to the preparation. Placing a kadai pan on the stove, pouring some olive oil, 1 tablespoon of butter. Let the butter melt. Adding 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. Then some roughly chopped onion. Salt them well. Adding the stalks of the broccoli. Salt. Pepper powder. Then a pinch of oregano. Salt again. Now let's add some water into this. Mix them well. Cover and cook for a few minutes. Now let's check whether the broccoli stalks are well cooked or not. Yes, it has almost cooked. Turn off the flame and allow it to cool. Let it come to room temperature. Then transfer into a blender. Before grinding, we can add some water. Then blend them thoroughly until we get a fine, smooth, creamy mixture. Now we got a creamy mixture of this broccoli stock. Just strain it by using a colander or strainer. Now we can just keep it aside, this puree or extract of the mixture. Next step is adding the remaining butter into the same pan. Let it melt completely. Add the broccoli florets. Salt them well. Adding some pepper powder, salt, Salt again. Cover and cook over very low flame for a few minutes. Then salt in between to prevent burning. Now the broccoli florets are cooked enough. Let's add the puree into the broccoli. Combine them well. Placing the lid and allow it to boil. Just open it and check salt. If needed, we can add some more salt and pepper into this. Then adding the next ingredient, that is grated cheese. Next we can add some more water into this. Just mix it. Then cover the lid and boil. Our soup is almost going to ready now. One more ingredient we need to add, that is Amul's fresh cream. So adding fresh cream into this. Combine very well. Turn off the flame and it's ready to serve now. So taking it into the serving bowl, just garnish it with few drops of fresh cream. This is a special recipe, and so our ketogenic special LCHF special broccoli soup is ready now. Just try out this recipe. This is so yummy and tasty. So if you like this recipe, please give a thumbs up and share this video. Also, those who are new to this channel, please subscribe NISHANA'S Recipe Notes. And thank you for watching. See you next time with another recipe.